You've probably heard all the usual cybersecurity advice, but real digital safety goes beyond the basics. At TheComplyGuide, we believe cybersecurity is about awareness and smarter habits, not just tools. In this video, we're breaking down 7 powerful, often overlooked habits to strengthen your digital defense. First, use a separate email for sensitive accounts. Most of us use one email for everything, which is convenient but risky. Phishing scams often target your primary email, making bank or investment accounts linked to it an easy target. Create a dedicated, private email address just for financial and critical logins, never using it for communication or social media. If a phishing attempt hits your regular inbox, you'll know it's fake because your bank only contacts your private account. For maximum security, use encrypted services like Proton Mail or Tutanota to set this up. Second, use tap to pay instead of swiping cards. Handing over your card or typing its number online exposes it. When you use Apple Pay or Google Pay, your real card number is never shared. A unique encrypted token is used instead. This token is like a disposable card number, safe, encrypted, and useless to hackers afterward. So next time, tap to pay. It's faster, safer, and surprisingly simple to set up. Third, create unique usernames for each account. Everyone talks about strong passwords, but what about your username? Reusing the same email across hundreds of sites means if that email appears in a breach, half your login is public. Use Apple's Hide My Email, Proton Simple Login, or similar tools to create unique email aliases for every service. This adds another layer of security, keeping your real email private, like a second lock on your door. Fourth, freeze your credit. Identity theft is growing, and credit monitoring alone isn't enough. A credit freeze is a simple, strong defense, preventing anyone, even hackers, from opening new accounts in your name. You can easily thaw the freeze temporarily when needed. It's fast, free, and available through major credit bureaus worldwide. Fifth, take control of your personal data. Data brokers collect and sell your name, address, phone, and location daily. Legally, you can request data deletion, but it's a tedious process across hundreds of sites. Services like Delete Me or Incogni automate this securely, handling removal requests and keeping your information private. At TheComplyGuide, we recommend regularly reviewing your digital footprint. It's the foundation of privacy protection. Sixth, avoid public Wi-Fi when possible. It might seem convenient, but it's a common entry point for hackers. Instead of unknown networks, tether your mobile data or use a trusted VPN. This connects you through a network you control, significantly reducing your risk exposure. Seventh, turn on theft protection for your phone. Our phones store everything, and losing one can feel like losing your digital life. Enable built-in theft protection like stolen device protection on iPhones or theft detection lock on Android. These tools automatically lock or wipe data if your phone is stolen, keeping your information safe. Cybersecurity isn't about paranoia, it's about preparation. These habits protect your data and your peace of mind. At TheComplyGuide, we believe awareness is your first layer of defense. Start small, build consistent habits, and stay informed. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and follow us for more practical insights on compliance, privacy, and cybersecurity. Stay safe, stay compliant. TheComplyGuide, your partner in digital trust.